What's going on, guys? We're going to take a quick look at the Nasdaq. So big, nasty, pre-market. We kind of gapped down today. Seemed like, after we put in that initial washout on the Nasdaq, we kind of had some sideways consolidation going on. Very, very choppy market for about 4 or 5 hours. And then we kind of got rug pulled towards the end of the day, kind of washed out through those daily lows and gave us a nice trade opportunity towards the end of the day. I know my screen looks a little messy. I got a lot of lines on my chart, but what I'm showing you guys is a daily time frame. So I'm going to get, kind of dive in a little bit here and look at the hourly time frames to kind of make this a little bit more clean for you guys. So the level that we were looking at towards the end of the day was that 14,033 level. That was this here. So if I am looking at these hourly candles here, this is the initial washout here. We got this washout below the first hour's lows. We got this washout down to 14,031, 14,033 area. And then this is the price action that I'm talking about. Very choppy, very sideways, didn't really go nowhere. But if you kind of look at it, it is forming a little bit of a bear flag here. So once we got rejected up here and we could not reclaim this 20-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame, we got rejected. We started to come down pretty aggressively towards the end of the day. And once we lost this 14,031 area, this is a trade that needs to be taken 9 times out of 10. If you got the buying power, if you are in front of the screens and you guys are watching it and you're looking at this hourly chart and you see a low here and a retest here and you see choppiness action, you see a lot of indecision candles, and you know that the day's action was weak, and then all of a sudden you start to see the candle get very, very aggressive and we do lose this level, this trade needs to be taken short 9 times out of 10. 9 times out of 10 with complete confidence. You need to be shorting this stock. If you're taking multiple contracts on the futures, you need to be scaling out on the first push through, hold that runner in case we want to do flush down. What we're doing now in the after hour session, we still need to see what obviously the overnight session has. We are going to bear flag again, so we're going to get this little indecision green bar here. We got a little green bar here. We might even trickle up, and what I would be hoping for and what's going to present the best possible opportunity for tomorrow is if we can get back up into the 20-day moving average. If we can push higher here and then still stay below that 14,134 area, or even if we do quickly reclaim the 20 and then we can't really hold that level and build off it going from the next zone from 14.2 to 14.3 and we start to trickle over, this 13,984 is a short all day long. Okay, 13,984, set an alert. 13,984 is a short all day long. Just understand we're going to use a tight stop. We're going to play this tight to the vest. If we lose 13,984, we quickly wash out 10-15 points and then we retrace and reclaim it back. We need to exit the trade. Okay, so we are day traders, we are scalpers, we are not just buy and hold and hope people. Okay, so make sure you know where your stop loss is going to be. Make sure you understand where you're going to take the trade. But realistically, ever since Friday, we've been on a big leg down here ever since we lost this 3 days worth of consolidation here from like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you can see this channel, lows all held, and then when we did wash out, we really washed out here, new leg down. We are putting in these lower highs, so if we look at this as a high, lower high, lower high, if we do bounce and stay below this level and put in a new lower high, I would be looking for the short through 13,985, guys. Make sure you guys are marking out your levels on the daily time frame so you guys have a good perspective on what to trade. If we take a look at what it looks like on the 5-minute, you're going to see this get even more clear. So if we look here, once we broke above this zone, we broke above, nice little trade here, came back down, lost it, reclaimed it, nice little trade. Once we lost this level again, short position. Once we come into support, we bounce. Once we lose this support, we flush. Okay, once we bounce, we back test, we bounce. Okay, we come back all the way down, we bounce. Once we lose this level, this is the level we lost towards the end of the day, we flush. So what I'd be looking for here, if we do reclaim 14,031, we do have room to bounce up to 14,134, and this could be an area of opportunity for a scalp long, but just understand that once we do lose the 14,031, we need to get out of that position, and we need to be thinking about shorting that back down towards 13,985. I hope this helps. I'll see you guys on the next trading video. If you guys want to trade with me and you guys want to trade futures, get funded, trade someone else's money, work for a prop firm, understand risk management, see all the details down in the description box below. Also join my Discord. I'll help you guys out, as far as taking trades and what to exactly look for. That Discord's completely free to join. I do have a paid member section on there for daily watch lists and intraday level pivots. But for the most part, you can get a lot of good information from me, myself, and a lot of the other traders that are in the room. Also subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.